You're not alone. Freelancing and being self-employed come with a ton of freedom, but staying on top of your finances can feel like a whole other job. Here's the thing. Neglecting your financial health can be a major headache come tax season. Uncle Sam won't be impressed by your shoebox full of crumpled receipts. But what if there was a way to streamline your finances, categorize expenses with ease, and even get a head start on your taxes? Enter QuickBooks Self-Employed, an accounting software designed specifically for freelancers and self-employed individuals. But the big question is, how much does it cost? That's exactly what we'll be diving into today. We'll break down the different QuickBooks Self-Employed plans, their features, and how to choose the one that's right for your needs. So, grab a pen and paper or your favorite note-taking app, because we're about to get you on the road to financial organization, understanding your financial needs. Before we dive into pricing, let's take a quick step back. What are your main financial needs as a freelancer? Do you struggle to keep track of income and expenses throughout the month? Do you dread tax season and scrambling to find lost receipts? Are you looking for simple invoicing tools to send to clients? Once you identify your pain points, you'll have a clearer idea of which features in QuickBooks Self-Employed are most valuable to you. QuickBooks Self-Employed, your pricing breakdown. Alright, let's get down to business. QuickBooks Self-Employed offers 3 different pricing tiers, each with a specific feature set. Self-Employed, $15 per month. This is the starter plan, perfect for freelancers with basic accounting needs. It allows you to track income and expenses, categorize transactions, and create and send invoices. You'll also get mileage tracking and the ability to separate personal and business finances. Self-Employed Tax Bundle, $25 per month. This plan builds on the starter features by adding tax estimate tools. It helps you stay on top of projected tax payments and even integrates with TurboTax for seamless tax filing. Additional fees may apply for TurboTax. Self-Employed Live Tax Bundle, $35 per month. This is the ultimate plan for freelancers who want the most support. It includes all the features from the previous tiers, plus access to a live CPA for tax advice throughout the year. They can answer your burning tax questions and even review your final tax return for an extra layer of peace of mind. Choosing the right plan for you. Now, the million-dollar question. Which plan is best for you? Here's a quick guide. The solopreneur, if you're just starting out or have a relatively simple freelance setup, the self-employed, $15 per month, plan is a great place to begin. It helps you organize your finances and get comfortable with accounting software. The organized freelancer. Do you juggle multiple projects and clients? The Self-Employed Tax Bundle, $25 per month, helps you stay ahead of taxes with estimation tools and TurboTax integration. The tax-savvy freelancer. Constantly worried about taxes? The Self-Employed Live Tax Bundle, $35 per month, provides invaluable peace of mind with access to a live CPA. Remember, QuickBooks Self-Employed also offers a 30-day free trial, so you can test out the features and see if it's a good fit for you before committing. Beyond the price tag, additional considerations. While price is a major factor, here are some other things to keep in mind. Scalability. Do you anticipate growing your business significantly in the future? If so, consider a plan that can accommodate your needs. Customer support. How important is access to customer support for you? The higher tier plans offer more support options. Integrations. Does QuickBooks Self-Employed integrate with other tools you use, like project management software or a payment processor? QuickBooks Self-Employed can be a game changer for freelancers and self-employed individuals. By choosing the right plan, you can gain control of your finances, streamline your workflow, and even save yourself money come tax season. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.